In this video, you will learn how you can replace the background of an image on Ideogram. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this will work for any image, but for this example, I'm going to generate an image of a guy taking a selfie with mountains in the background. So after it's done, we can go to my images right here and we should see the 4 variations. In this case, let's say I want to replace the background on this image, for example. Just click it and you will have the option to remove the background, or you can also go to the 3 dots and click remove background. Now after a few seconds you will have the image with transparent background, so you can click on edit right here and you can generate whatever you want in this image. We can also click on background and click replace, and now we can describe the new background. For example, I'm going to say a roller coaster, replace the background, and after a few seconds it has generated the new background. So in this case this was not what I'm looking for because the prompt was too simple, so I'm going to put roller coaster in the background, and now I'm going to replace the background again because you can do this as many times as you want, and you can also click generate variations if you want to generate similar images. So let's just wait for the new background. And now this is much better. I can click on download to download the image on the quality I want, and if you prefer you can also download the one with transparent background, so it won't have any background at all, and you can put this image on editor like Photoshop or any other software, so you can add the image you want. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.